Hi everyone, welcome to our first ever virtual event Ingram Micro 1 2020. I am Manoj, Senior Business Unit Manager, and I have Ashraf Hamid with me from Dell Technologies. Welcome Ashraf for Ingram Micro 1 event. Great to have you here and we are honored with your presence.
Thank you, Manoj. It's a pleasure to be here with you and your partners. I miss you really. I miss Ingram, I miss the partners, I miss being with the people. And actually, I find this is a great opportunity for us talking to you guys again after a little bit long time. And I promise that we will continue supporting you in the field, supporting our customers through you. And I promise you as well that we have a lot to do together to overcome the current challenges with our customers. In my way, I was thinking about the subject that I want to talk to you about. And I find that's few words that cover everything, opportunities and profitability. And frankly speaking, the opportunities is coming from our vision and our strategy, the purpose that Dell was founded to do, and to develop and create technology to address the human progress is summarizing it all. Our vision, building our technology from edge to data center to the cloud, is behind all what we are introducing through you to our customers to address their pain and to address their requirements. So our strategy with you is to help you and help our customers to address the competition and to do a great job in the field. So that summarizes a little bit some of our strategy and our opportunity for you. And definitely that strategy built on 5 pillars: our customers, our partners, our people, our team, and the communities that we are developing, and by the end of the day, to make profit for our shareholders. These are the 5 pillars that developed the Dell strategy. Definitely we built our program at the back of listening to you and your needs, your requirements, and we keep enhancing our program to make sure that you are profitable. Talking about profitability and opportunities in the market, definitely profitability is very important. And I'm here to share with you a few examples of how we can do a double-digit margin selling our storage. We introduced recently our power store, and that's an opportunity for all of us to grab the market share. It covers a mid-range storage, and definitely that's 6 times the high-end market for storage, and that creates a hell of opportunities for all of us. When we talk about the mid-range storage, between the front end and the back end, I can assure you with some examples, I would encourage you as well to have the discussion with our team to show you how can you do a high double-digit margin when you sell our storage. I don't want to take much of your time. I believe Ingram has few questions that I'm very happy to take and answer, and I'll be ready to see you all whenever you want me. I'm a people person. I want to see you face to face, and I wish you great luck with this event. I'm sure there will be a lot of information that will help you in journey in facing the current pandemic and the future as well. Stay tuned and you will find a lot of good information to help you in the field. Manoj?
Great, thank you Ashraf. How Dell EMC see the market during and after the pandemic?
Actually, we are blessed to be in this industry. And actually with Dell, our strategy proven to be a successful one. We are taking it with a big responsibility. We found ourselves obliged to help our customers in the pandemic, and with several transformation strategies that we built around the workforce transformation and digital transformation, we found ourselves really in a position to help our customers big time. When we found that they want to move to work from home, we were delivering to big enterprise accounts our notebooks to help them to work from home and not to affect the business at all. With the big demand of working from home, that created a lot of gaps as well in the data center and the infrastructure requirements, and also a big responsibility is to cover the security and make sure that no security issues will be faced. We know a lot of hacking happening over day and nights, and definitely we have taken it end to end with all our customers. So we found that our business, I mean, you have seen our results grown up. That's the result of really taking it serious with our customers, and we found the customers really highly appreciated the efforts that we have put in the field with them.
Thank you. You spoke about profitability. How Dell can help Ingram and their partners to enhance their profit?
See, definitely when we look at the profitability, it's a portfolio of the product mix. When I talk about the Dell portfolio from edge to data center to cloud, with the portfolio of Dell, it's huge, it's massive. We might find that in some areas you have to go competitive with a single digit, but definitely with the enterprise solutions that we are offering today, we have a huge opportunity if we position our product right to claim a premium and to claim a double-digit margin against the different technologies that we are introducing it through Ingram Macro and the partners or the resellers of Ingram Macro. The question is how to choose the right product. The question is how to position the product and how to upsell the product and cross-sell all the possible products to the customers to make sure that you have a rich portfolio of margin.
Agree. Of course, it's need a strategy. What is your growth strategy for Mirat?
We are hungry for growth, and we can see there is a great potential. We have did a survey over the last few weeks to test or to listen to our partners to see what is the market trend. That survey came with more than 90% of our partners talking about a massive growth compared to the analyst or the market analyst. So the potential is there, and definitely we are in a very dynamic moving market. We want our partners to work with us hand in hand to grab that opportunity. So we are investing, and we will continue investing to grab that growth opportunities to the market.
Do you have any specific advice to Ingram Micro and its partners to grow together with you?
Definitely aligning with our plan will help us to grow together. We have aggressive plans to grow, and definitely it is high-end double-digit growth plans that we are going to do, whether in the short-term Q4 or next year. My advice is empower your team, understand the technology, understand the differentiators, understand the customer needs and customer requirement, and position the technology to answer the customers. Win the battle based on the customer requirements. Don't sell the technology for the sake of selling technology, but understand the requirements of the customer and go behind that with the technology to prove that you have a solution to the customer. Use all the possible tools, the POCs, the proof concept solutions. Use our virtual demo centers. Use all the resources. Use the Dell resources. We have tons of Dell resources, hungry to see customers, whether virtually or face-to-face if the customer and the rules allow. But we have to go aggressive. We have to put the effort, and definitely the $100 that used to have X amount of effort will not come with X. My advice to you guys, put more effort, but you will get there.
Okay. See, we heard a lot about flex on demand. How sooner can we expect Dell Technologies flex on demand consumption model in Gulf region or specific to Mirat?
A few weeks ago, Michael Dell announced our flex on demand or using on demand strategy, and definitely we are bringing it to the Middle East. We are a little bit behind our execution plan. As we speak now, we are establishing a new financial company in UAE that will cover UAE and some of the Middle East countries, and that will enable us to introduce aggressively that solution. We know the market is hungry for that, but stay tuned. In a few weeks, we will announce the strategy and the Dell finance in UAE.
Before we conclude, can you talk a little bit about your R&D for new product line or an alternative for VxRail, even though VxRail is still a great success?
Let me remind you with the big decision that Michael Dell took of spending $4.5 billion a year and to continue with that. And that will give us really the advanced and to stay ahead with the technologies that we are introducing to address the customer needs and customer challenges. So R&D will continue. R&D will bring always new technology. VxRail is one of the biggest success story for hyperconverged, and we'll continue developing that, and definitely there will be a new roadmap for enhancing that technology. So we will not stop, and definitely our cloud strategy, the hybrid cloud, is on-premises, off-premises, and between the two, we don't believe that all the application has to be on-premises or has to be on public cloud. So between the private cloud and the public cloud, the hybrid cloud is the answer to have an optimized solution, whether in performance or in cost effectiveness.
Thank you, Ashraf. We heard you had a great Q3. Wish you in advance for a great Q4 and a great year.
Actually, I mean, our Q2 was great. We announced that, and we are very proud of our team, our partnership, Ingram Performance and their resellers. Q3, we're ahead of our plan, and I can see that we are going to deliver good results as well. We cannot talk about it for now. And I can see a very promising Q4 with some good expectation for double-digit growth in Q4. And for now, definitely we are building our new year plan with a double-digit growth again. So the opportunity is big, the market is still there, and we are happy to play a great role with you, Ingram, in the field with our resellers to support the customer needs and customer requirements. As I said, from edge to data center to cloud, the portfolio is massive, the portfolio is big, and we need all your resellers, all the resources of Ingram to support us to take that portfolio to the customer to address their requirements.
Thank you.
Thank you.